Will the pie be ready in time? Papa's out getting a tree while my sister and me are writing verses and rhymes. Soon they will be here.
Hello friends, thank you so much for watching my video. This is going to be the last Christmas video that I'm going to be able to get up before Christmas. And look how sweet my little baby is. She was helping me put our countdown to Christmas to the right day here. So I cannot believe, even looking at this and repeating it back, that there are only 3 days left until Christmas. And I honestly have felt over-prepared at times and under-prepared at other times. Right here are some lactation cookies that I made, and my husband likes them too. It's totally fine for anybody to eat them. So if that's a recipe that you guys are interested in, I'll try to make that one in another video. And but yeah, so like I was saying, for instance, here I was just getting my tree skirt fixed here. I didn't actually purchase a tree skirt like I had thought I was going to. I changed up a little bit of my style this year, and I wanted to go with a more traditional look than I have in years past, even though you guys haven't seen that because it's the first year that I've put anything on YouTube. But for Christmas anyways. But so I ended up just finding a cream blanket that we already had that we weren't using, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do that this year. That way it gives me a little bit of time to think and plot and plan what I want to do for next year. I don't know about you guys, but we love putting our personalized ornaments on our big tree, like our main living room tree. And I just think it makes it so special. We have baby ornaments this year. We have Vivian's, a couple of first Christmas ornaments. The one that I actually ordered from Etsy, I will insert a clip of that in another video. It may not be Christmas related, but I'll at least show you what it looks like if I can remember. And so it's not in this in here yet because it hadn't got delivered yet. Anyways, it is so stinking cute. It is the shape of a carriage, and it's got all kinds of these little like charm pieces in it that are personalized to her. So it's got like the date, her weight, height, all that kind of stuff. So also, I had talked about this in another video, but I'm so bad about getting pictures printed. So I wanted to make sure that I had a little picture of Vivi to put in this Christmas frame. And I think that turned out so sweet and so cute. And I cannot believe that, time has passed as quickly as it has. She's 8 months old now. And, she was just fresh out of the womb in that picture. So it feels like it just happened yesterday. Also, I had promised you guys that I would show another way to style our table, and I did not love this way personally. It looked really pretty at night whenever the lights would come on over here on these little candlesticks, but I forgot about this lantern. My husband's uncle had purchased this for us a few years ago, and I forgot that I always put this on our table. I don't know how I forgot that, but I did. So anyways, I wanted to go ahead and get everything else taken down and get this lantern put up and kind of make that our centerpiece. And if you can see in the back behind that chair, that is our cat Ollie. He is scratching at the door. He unfortunately cannot come in because I'm very allergic to cats. He lived in this house before we did, and he kind of just came with the house basically. So we take really good care of him, the best that we can. We have a nice little place for him downstairs. We have a heater that he has during the colder months, and my husband gets to play with him and interact with him, but unfortunately I don't really get to hold him or anything like that. But yeah, this is kind of what the table looked like here. I forgot to insert a clip of this at night, but it's so pretty. And I love how that came out. I like it much better than the other option there, but both are, just some ideas for if you have a smaller round table. Okay, so I'm super excited to do this little craft with Vivian. It says Mistletoes, and you're supposed to put like an imprint of their feet on here. So it also has like a little hook on the back so you can hang it up. And I just think this will be so cute. I got this from Amazon. And let me see. Over here, this is just a little paint that I got from Walmart. I just wanted like a true kind of red color. I didn't want anything too bright. I wanted it to be more like a classy red color. So this is color, where does it say? Real red. So I'm going to use that. And hopefully this will work good to get the paint on her feet, and then I will of course wipe it off as soon as I get her little print on there. So wish me luck. Hopefully this goes good. My husband is at home at this very moment, but I really want to get this done, so I'm going to try to do it solo. If it doesn't work out, we shall see. So let's go ahead and get this paint in a little plate. I think that's the easiest way to go about this. Okay, so the color red is beautiful. It's exactly what I was hoping it was. I don't know why I'm so nervous to do this. Like, getting the paint poured out, it's like real. It's like I have to do this now. And I don't know, I guess I'm just worried that I'm gonna mess it up. So I don't know. Let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put maybe this down here. I think the easiest way for me to do this may be to lay her on her diaper changing table, but sometimes she gets really upset whenever I have to change her diaper. So this may not be a good idea because she may think that I'm changing her diaper and not be happy. Okay, Viv, let's see. So we want it to be this way. Okay, so Mommy's gonna paint your foot. Mommy's gonna paint your little footie. Oh my gosh. Does that feel so funny? Does that feel super funny? I bet it feels funny on your little foot. What's Mommy doing to you? What's Mommy doing to you, baby? Alright. We'll make sure we get a nice... Alright, let's see. I'm gonna make sure we get a nice little layer on here without having stuff dripping everywhere. Okay. Alright, babe, we're doing it. Are you ready? Okay. Wait, or are we supposed to put it this way? Now I'm second guessing everything. Oh. Okay, I think I did it right, you guys. Alright. Okay, dude, let's wipe this off. Wow, we did really good. We did really good. We got a clean little toe. We got a clean little toe. We got one more to go. We got one more to go. All right, we're going for it. We're doing it. We're doing it, Viv. We did so good on the other side. Let's try to execute over here. All right, let's do it, girl. Let's see if we can do it, baby. I know we can. Here we go. All right, ready? Oh, if that isn't the most precious thing that you've ever seen, then I don't know what is. And somebody just messed up a little bit on her part. We can draw some like greenery or something to connect the feet at the top, because I think I was supposed to kind of like make it look like her ankles are touching together to make the toes come down to a peak. But I'm just proud of us for getting this done. I think we've done an awesome job. So this is what we have so far. Look how cute. So this is what I was talking about. Well, actually, I guess this kind of makes that. I'm just figuring this out. All right, so this kind of looks like it should connect the feet. So, I don't know, I think it looks really good. I think we're going to leave it like this. I messed up right here. You can see where my finger got over here, but we could probably cover it up with something. I'm pretty happy. The rest of the video, we're just going to do a little bit of baking. And as always, I have my little helper, Haven, in the kitchen down here. She's just hoping for anything and everything to fall on the floor so she can try to hurry and get it. But, yeah, so we're going to make a couple of different recipes. And the first one that I'm going to start on here is like a pecan pie brownies. So I always love the Ghirardelli brownie mix. I don't even fool with making my own brownies. I have in the past. I'm not opposed to trying a new recipe, but I just personally, I don't think you can get any better than the Ghirardelli box brownies. I just think that they are so good, and I try to make it a little bit easier on myself since I was homemaking other parts. So for the pecan, if I can talk, pecan pie topping, I don't know if this is the same way that you make pecan pies or not. I've never made one, but it was really simple. It just required some like corn syrup, eggs, vanilla extract. I can't really remember, but I will definitely link that down below in the comments if that's something that you're interested in making. I think this would work. I actually made these things for our Thanksgiving dinner, and I feel like they work for Christmas also. So that's kind of what we're going to do here. We're going to just get everything boiled here on the stovetop, and then once you get everything, to the point that it needs to be thickness wise, then you're going to pour it over your brownies and pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes or so. And so you'll see how it looks here in just a minute.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand.
Okay, so next we're going to work on what is called pumpkin lush, and it's a cold dessert, and it's super, super easy to make. I don't know about you guys, but I like to have pumpkin at Christmas time also. I just feel like if it's for all holidays, like for this time of year, for Thanksgiving and Christmas. I don't think pumpkin is only a Thanksgiving flavor, but that's just me. So yeah, this is also very easy. It's got cream cheese, confectioner's sugar, of course a can of pumpkin, I'm trying to think, and then you can just top it with like some whipped topping and different kind of like chocolate chips. I think I used butterscotch chips. Caramel would be really good. So yeah, that was definitely a crowd pleaser, and it worked out really well. It has a graham cracker crust bottom, and I had to crush up my own graham crackers that I could not find anywhere. The crumbs already pre-made there, so that made it a little bit more hard than it should have been. But so everything turned out really good. It layered really well, and it held up well in the refrigerator. So yeah, I will also link that recipe down below if you are interested in making it.
I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. I'm trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold.
I mean this when I say that I hope every single person that's watching this video and that finds this content, I hope that you have an amazing Christmas holiday season, whatever that looks like for you and your family, whether you're spending it with your loved ones, whether you are alone. I just hope that you do not feel alone. I hope that you feel loved and know how important that you are. And I just hope that this season brings you joy that it's never brought before. And so I hope that this little video gave you some company, or just helped you get up and get some things done that you need to get done around your own home. So thank you so much for for watching this, and I hope that we all have a great holiday season. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.